Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just a couple hours ago, I made a video on this. Somebody sent me this file, and somebody asked, well, how did he draw that? Or how did they draw that? Well, I took my parallel dimension tool, and it wouldn't really matter, but I'm going to draw it like he did. I'm going to go from that node to that node in 6 inches. So I'm going to set my nudge factor on 6 inches. I am going to draw a 6-inch circle with my ratio lock, so I only have to type in one number. Whoop, not 66. Now I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to nudge it out of the way, put this in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and another duplicate, and then I'm going to hit the plus key. Let's see, he had 5, so we'll do that. So they're all in the center of the page, and they're 6 inches apart, so they're touching. And I'm not 100% sure that's how he did it, but I'm pretty sure. Either that or you have circles. 2-point line, and make sure you hold down the control button so it's perpendicular and hit P. And then just take your parallel or your virtual segment delete key and delete every other line, top, bottom, top, bottom. Remove your item, and you see we have 5 items, and this is where he welded them, but the contours tool didn't work. So that's when we had to take the shape tool and select all these nodes. I don't know why the weld tool would not work in this case. But anyway, go up to Windows, Dockers, and join curves. And like I said earlier, I could have it set on 0.01. Well, maybe that's not enough. 0.05. And see, it closed them all in. And now it's going to contour. Now, another way you could do this, if you think about it, if we take the parallel dimension, well, we contoured 1 inch. So that's 2 inches. So if we wanted to, let's just back up here. Another way around that would be to change your pen tool to inches. You just double click on your pen tool and go inches. And we're going to make this 2 inches with round caps. Well, I was doing it as a graphic. 2, oh, not square caps, round caps. Okay, I'm just not hitting OK. After you do this, you have to hit OK. And then hit OK. Then you can take that and go to Object and convert the outline to an object, and you can left click and right click and get the exact same thing. And I didn't have to weld it together or do anything. You know, I didn't have to contour it because so it didn't have a problem. Pretty cool, even design, because I put the line down the middle so everything's perfect. Made mine a little backwards from his, but I can flip it over. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.